Our today's topic is Unit 3, Defining Problem, which is the last topic of Unit 3. Now, initially we had discussed that the problem statement is nothing but the aim of your project, or this for which any issue for which you are trying to find a solution to. So that is called your problem statement. Problem statement means the problem which you are trying to fix. So that becomes the aim of your project. So aim has to be minimum 1 line to maximum 2 lines without any full stop. We had also discussed that to achieve the aim, we need to identify the objectives. Those objectives are smaller milestones to be achieved to achieve your final goal. Your final goal is your aim or your problem statement. So example, we will take this mini project, okay, which my students had done, and today to enhance vehicle and property security by providing an online platform and to minimize the visibility of multiple sticker tags on vehicles owned by individual working or living in various places. So you can re-listen this audio to check what the problem statement is. These students have identified this in their presentation. Of course, as I had said earlier that the problem statement has to be minimum 1 line or 2 line. They have done that. But if you observe this problem statement, if a person tries to see for the first time the audience, it becomes very lengthy and difficult to connect. So if you lose the connect of the audience, they are not interested later in your diagrams, in your proposed work, anything. So what we did it in class here, that on ChatGPT we put that statement and we said that okay, we want this short, we want this problem statement in short. Okay, again it gave us say 1.5 line, so that was pretty enough. Then we said that the same problem statement we wanted in 10 words. So finally the problem statement was boost security online, minimize visible stickers on vehicles for individuals. So it becomes now more easy to connect. Now since this instruction was given to the ChatGPT, it did it exactly what we prompted it. Now if you see this problem statement, we are IT students, so there is no technicality in it. It looks like it's a newspaper title. So what we have to incorporate it is that what technology we are going to use, that technology we are going to put this in problem statement. So this problem statement we are going to redefine. Okay, so this is a very, very important procedure of defining a problem statement, because this is the first thing the audience is going to listen. Now again we discussed here in class that we have to now see, we are giving whatever instructions ChatGPT is giving us, but to have a good user experience, this problem statement has to connect to the audience. So you have to make it more realistic so that the audience thinks that it is his or her problem and tries to listen to you for getting the solution of it. You're trying to understand. So first is that make it as short and precise. Why? Because bigger sentences, people don't, the moment you go on the second line, you forget the first line content. And while listening, people can't listen or read big lines. So the more the precise the problem statement is, the more user can understand. So first is understandability. Okay, second is of course the technology, so that if the audience is IT students or the IT professional industry mentors, they will be interested to know what technology you are using, because it fascinates them. If it's going to be like a newspaper title, of course their interest in your problem statement will go away, your project title. Okay, so first again I'll repeat, short and precise. You can note it down, short and precise, so that the audience understands it better. Second, that it has to have technology in the problem title to fascinate the specific audience. So if it's an IT project and the students are of IT and the mentors are of IT, technology would fascinate them to know more about it and how you are incorporating and designing it. Okay. And third, it is the connect with the audience and the user. Because that if that connect will come, the audience and the user will think that it is my problem. Okay, it is one of my problem and I need to know the solution. And if I need to know the solution, I need to listen to the presentation. So these things, you might feel that problem statement is just, defining, but it is actually the first impression you carry with your user, which can be the person who is using the app or the person to whom you are presenting, whatever it is. So that is why defining the problem statement and again redefining it to have a connect with the user, that comes under proper user experience. Okay, thank you very much for your patience listening. This is Dr. Aisha Battaglia signing off.